Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound, debt-free company where Akash Prakash has secretly accumulated a truckload of shares equating to a 0.96% stake. Now, this is not our own research. This research was done by Meet and is based on the latest annual report. You can choose to follow him to get more such insights. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, which is available at Rs 885.00 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is ICICI GI. Now, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company is an India-based private sector non-life insurer. The market cap of the company is 40,184.70 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 22.60 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 39.16 when compared with the industry PE of 22.83. The price to book ratio of 8.50 is also on the high side. A strong factor for this company is the fact that it is debt free and hence the debt to equity and the total debt stands at 0. The return on equity here is 0.1832, which is decent. The dividend yield is 0.37, whereas the promoter holding is just above average at 55.90%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.